Where's that? Hey, where's that? Just pushing out the... Oh my god, Geeky Graham, thank you so much. For the 4 months. Thank you, thank you. Where's that? I'm just trying to do my landing spot for Robster. How are you doing? Fortnite.gg. Let me just mark. I don't particularly want to show it on stream because then I don't want to get stream sniped. Let me just look at Isari in a second. Okay. Tournament. Tournament. Heat map setting. Performance eval. FNCS trials. Getting upgrades for your PC. Excellent. Excellent. What, are they just parts that you're then going to build yourself, or better monitor, keyboard? Yeah. I used to, like, for Benji, I've said this before, but he used to say to me, okay, could I have a, like yourself, monitor, keyboard, or whatever? And you'd get those, but then you'd also try and get, like, little things, you know, extra little things, because rather than just giving them one item. And literally